Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Fanie Naude here, Managing Director for BuzzNet Direct, where we help overworked accountants that's struggling with marketing and sales to get more of a consistent stream of their ideal clients. Now, today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to be talking about free websites for accountants in South Africa. Now, this is not something that we usually do. This is why we're starting off with a free offer. So if you have been searching for a website and you want a website of your own and you don't have one currently, this is definitely for you. And if you've been having a website for a long time and you don't get any sort of leads or clients from your website, you want to stay tuned for the rest of this video. So let's start off by saying that we have been offering websites for our clients for a long time by now, and this is not something that we usually do as a service on its own because we really love consulting and that's our passion. And recently we realized that, okay, this is something that we love to do, but maybe there's a little bit something extra because our entire methodology is around, picking a niche, going after a specific industry and so forth. But at this moment, we're currently missing out on the local searches, on your local community and your city. So usually what happens when someone's searching for an accountant, there's two main things that they do. It's either they ask a friend, that's why most of the accounting industry runs on referrals, or they just Google, accountant near me, or accountant Stellenbosch, or accountant Randfontein, or Joburg, or Pretoria, or any one of those. So who are the people that show up on those searches? Are you one of those? Are you one of the few lucky ones that shows up on the local searches? If you're on Carltonville at the moment, someone let's say searches, accountant near me, does your website actually, come up with that? Do you show up in the searches? Do the people even know you exist? All of those sort of things are things that you should be thinking about, especially if you're a local business with a local location. Like, I know a lot of accountants, and a lot of our accountants as well, of our clients, is servicing across South Africa, but you still want to help a little bit more in the community and get some of those community clients in as well. So we recently upskilled ourselves, did a lot of extra trainings, got some specialist software, and now at this moment we want to see and test our new idea. Now, at the moment, we have some systems that's consistently getting clients for our clients, but now we want to test a new one. So this is why we're starting off with a free offer for the website. So this is going to be completely free design, completely free setup, and all of those sort of things. The only thing that will need to be covered by you is the hosting month after month. Otherwise, we're going to be losing money on this deal. But other than that, we want to test this, especially for just the beginning, with 10 accountants at this moment. So this is what we're thinking about. We want to take 10 accountants, either build them a brand new website or take their website and just build it onto our system and see if we can get them those local clients. This is not going to be something that's going to be quick. Everything to do with SEO and Google and all of those sort of things, it doesn't give you quick results, but as soon as it starts getting you results, it's consistent. Because every single year, there's more people that's going to turn 18. There's more people that's going to start businesses. Every single year, there's more and more and more clients. So the pie just gets bigger. But those people, you want a slice of that pie at the end of the day, because they're going to get someone. It might as well be you. This might not be your ideal client paying you 20K. But this is going to be local clients that you can build a long-term relationship with and, really help them grow their business. Now, these are the people that's technologically savvy, knowing that they should be searching for someone in the local community or searching for someone like you. So this is what we want to be testing out. So below this video, there's going to be a link in the comments that's going to be a link to an application page. So we're going to do 10 free for now. So it's going to be 10 free websites for 10 accounting practices. And, basically it comes down to, first come, first served, or it's going to be limited to 3 per city. especially since it's local SEO. And let's say, for example, we get 10 people in only one city, 10 people in only Pretoria. Well, we cannot rank every single one of them. We cannot, get results for every single one of them. So we're going to limit it to 3 people per city, and it's going to be first come, first serve. So go ahead in the comments below and check that out. Just go click on the link. You'll be redirected to a page with a quick form that you need to submit. It's just going to be a few details that we can get in contact with you and find out, maybe this is for you, maybe this is not for you, but this is what we want to be doing. We want to test this, and if you want to be part of our test to see what sort of results we can get for accountants in this way, please go ahead and submit that application. If not, at this moment, we're still running all of our specials for our LinkedIn Catalyst and the sales training for accountants. So go ahead, check out our specials at the moment. It's ending at the end of this month. I think it's 30 September that it's ending. So go ahead, check those out. Those offers are still live. It's a 94% discount, and it's a 90% discount. That's on the offers that's currently getting us the best results for accountants. So don't miss out on those offers. And other than that, please, tell us in the comments what you think about this video, and if you're excited for a free website for you guys that's not just going to be showing you existing, it's actually going to get you clients. And that's what we want at the end of the day. Thanks everybody. Enjoy the rest of your week. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and you found it valuable. If you did, please give us a like and a subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what did you think about this video? Did you agree with some of the points that we made, or did you disagree? We would love to get some feedback from you. And as always, we have some extra value to offer you in the description. We have 2 free PDFs. The first is 5 simple and easy ways to get more accounting clients. And the other one is 5 secrets on how to optimize your business operations that stop wasting time, sign up more clients, and keep them longer. And we have 2 case studies if you want to see how we operate, how we do our business, what's the sort of results that we've gotten so far. And we have 2 case studies that's live at the moment. And the first one is how to go from constantly overworked and underpaid to a wildly profitable accounting practice, consistently getting your ideal clients. And the second one is for the accountant with the passion for advisory and consulting. So it's how to scale your accounting practice with advisory and consulting. Please check those out in the description, and I hope you have a great day.